Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss pickup. On the outside of the Silverado, you have heated and power door mirrors, available four-wheel drive, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable, easy-to-clean cloth seating for 5 with heated front seats, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This one-owner 2021 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 14,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.